welcome back to my channel. This is Alex. Anyway, today is the last day of the game, so today we're gonna be the prize ceremony, the prize distributing ceremony. The last two videos you guys already saw one of the winners of foosball tournament, table tennis, chess, dart and badminton. So out of that, for me, I got a prize for football tournament. So in another 15 minutes, time is like around 9:15 at this moment. So in another 15 minutes for sure we're gonna get the prize ceremony is there, prize giving ceremony is there. Going to happen. Captain and the officers, they're gonna come here and they're gonna distribute the prize. So in another 15 minutes they're gonna turn on the light and you can see all are the winners and all that. Alright. So anyway, welcome to the video. Thank you very much.
Football table.
Football table.
We will give her the prize. Then, first prize for football table is Alex, Elio, and Carvalho Cedric. Second prize for Dixon. First prize for Gary. Ordinary zero. Ordinary zero. Chase first prize Simon. Finish this one game, then we do it and we will give the second prize, okay? Ping pong, second is Farouk. Sleeping. The same, and ping pong first prize Carvalho Cedric again. Tournament to be finished also, we will do not tomorrow because we have Manu the day after tomorrow, okay? Thank you. I hope you enjoy this tournament.
Safe journey, Captain. Thank you, Captain. Safe journey, safe journey. Tomorrow going home. Enjoy the vacation.
Can we make a picture all together, please? Please, come.
Wait. Dixon, go. Come on. Hey. Come on. Boys.
Here,
at the end of the prize giving ceremony, we all the crew members want to take picture with Captain because the next day Captain Madaloni is going home for his vacation. We all are honored to have a picture with him because on board of a ship, Captain is our real celebrity star. So the badminton game, the runner-up belongs to Mr. Dixon Desa. So he got something which mentioned Costa. There's a gift.
Yeah, there is a second prize for badminton. I'm glad to have from Captain. Let's see what's inside.
All right, just open Dixon, please.
Let's see. Yeah, I am unboxing the box.
All right.
It's a beautiful gift. I guess it is something. Wow! It's a Costa Favolosa model, ship model.
Oh, very nice.
Very
yeah.
nice.
Made out of metal, right?
Made out of metal, yes.
Oh,
this
this
it
is-
looks great. This
Looks great. Yeah, which has the yellow emblem, the Costa sea.
Yes. The metal.
The
body.
model of this ship, right?
Yeah, model of this ship.
Oh, very nice, Dixon.
Thank you very much.
Very much appreciated.
Yeah.
You played very nice. That's why you got. You did the effort.
Yes.
You get the result.
Yes. Unfortunately, finished second, but it's okay. I'm glad to have this. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So guys, this prize JBL speaker goes to Eljo, and then he's the winner of FOOZEBALL. He has defeated 3 good teams and he is worth this prize. Let's see what's in the gift. He will unbox for us. Let's hear from Eljo. Eljo, please unbox your gift.
All right. It look like a speaker, JBL speaker, JBL Go 2. That's a brand name. All right. I just cut it
Yeah.
out. Okay. Cut it. There is 2 strings are there. Okay.
Looks amazing. The
Move
first
on.
prize winner. Wow.
Thank you, Dixon.
From the restaurant team, we are one was runner up in badminton and one has gained first prize, so it's good. Restaurant team rocks.
All right.
So
There's
let's
a
see
Seal.
how he's unboxing the speaker. Looks good color, gray, I guess.
Silver color it is.
Silver. Okay, silver.
All right.
Wow. After the unboxing the speaker, yes, looks
JBL
great.
Geo 2.
Go to
The Bluetooth,
Bluetooth
speaker.
speaker. Wow. Costa
Right.
Favolosa's FOOZEBALL winner, Eljo. Yes, unboxing his gift. Wow, JBL silver speaker. Go to. Congratulations, Eljo.
Thank you. Let's check what is this. Right.
That is a stand for the speaker.
Stand? No. I think the cable. No. The
Cable, I guess.
Yeah, the charger. The USB cord.
Okay.
Right.
Yes, yes.
Check what is in this. Yeah,
Wow,
this is
wow.
the cord, right?
God, amazing,
cord.
amazing. Amazing unboxing. JBL winner.
Right. This is manual to operate this one.
We all know how to operate this, I guess. Eljo is user of Bluetooth speaker.
JBL Herman, the manual to operate this one. So it will be the company saying that you need to do 5 hours charge for continuous Bluetooth performance of this speaker for continuous 5 hours. You want to check this one, how this one works?
Yes, yes, yes.
Let me to turn on the power. There is option for Bluetooth, power on, volume minus and up. Then we have option for the Nest Music also. Yeah, the power is on. Shall we connect with the phone?
Yes, let's connect us. Let's connect. I will get my phone. I will connect and let's hear some.
Let's check the volume of this speaker and how was the bass and rhythm of the speaker. First we need to connect the Bluetooth speaker along with the mobile phone, then check. as I mentioned earlier, the Bluetooth version of this JBL speaker is 4.1. The battery type is lithium ion polymer style. So just charge it for 2.5 hours. You can play until 5 hours continuous. The Bluetooth transmitter frequency is 2402 to 2480 Hertz. And the weight of this Bluetooth speaker is 184 grams only. So it is a portable speaker. You can take wherever you are going along with you. You can take it and you can use it anywhere. And you just charge it for 2.5 hours, continuous playing 5 hours. It's very good speaker, light version. It's a portable one, good for easy usage, any kind of usage, inside the room, open areas, etc, etc. So just connect with any of your Bluetooth device with this speaker and enjoy unlimited music. I just want to conclude this video by this. So thanks for watching the video. Just don't forget to like the button and share with your friends. Thank you very much. Thank you all.